How you doing? Welcome back. Today we're going to make peanut butter dipping sauce. Fantastic for, dipping in some tempura or something like that, or using it as a dressing on a salad. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so peanut butter dipping sauce. So I've got some peanut butter there. You can use crunchy or smooth, it's entirely up to you. We've got some soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Some chili sauce or some sort of pepper sauce, lemon juice, fish sauce and coconut milk. Now I'm using a regular branded type of peanut butter, so I don't need to add any sugar to this. It's got loads of sugar in already. If you're using something a bit more natural, kind of a whole food type thing, you might want to add some brown sugar. This is very, very easy. Okay, so mixing bowl, as you can see, I've got my peanut butter in there. Now just a little tip, if you're doing this from a cold country, your jar's probably going to be really hard and stiff. What you can do is just pop it into a microwave for a few seconds. It will just soften it a little bit. And I say I'm using a crunchy one here. So we're going to add some soy sauce, fish sauce, lemon or lime juice, and then we're going to add some pepper sauce here, hot pepper sauce. You could even put just chili powder in it if you want. Now, one ingredient is missing, that was the coconut milk. What we need to do is get that hot, because hot coconut milk in there is going to make it really easy to mix up and it's going to be delicious. By the way, the amounts of all the ingredients, you can just play around with it as much as you want. If you like it really spicy, add more chili sauce. If you want more acid, add more of the lemon. Up to you. Let me sort out the coconut milk. So, I've heated up my coconut milk, and then we're going to just pour that in there. A couple of ladles for me. Then we're going to get whisk, and we're going to go in there and start to mix that up. And that's looking a perfect colour and consistency for me. Of course you can make it thicker than this or thinner. Add whatever you like in there, the quantities. But there you go. You've now got a fantastic peanut butter dipping sauce. And that's it, really, really simple. Let that cool down before you use it. But yeah, it's really good for kind of, like I say, dipping stuff in some tempura, shrimps or prawns or something on a salad, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.